Alright, let's talk about coin change. So you're given an integer array coin, represent the coins of different denomination, and an integer amount represent the total amount of. So you have to return basically you have to return the number of coin for this amount. If you cannot find a coin for this amount, you return -1, and this will be the solution. So let's think about how do you actually do it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use TP. So DP is actually pretty easy. So basically, the time is actually elephant, right? Space is elephant. Time is different. And let's just worry about like how do you actually solve this question first. So for x, so x will be arbitrary number, but I'm going to assign to 13 because when you have amounts which is on 12, why do you have to assign your arbitrary number to 20, right? This is no point. So I'm just making a value which is one unit or one value addition for the index, my DP index. Okay, so definitely for the index 0, which is the value, the coin 0, like you have no value for this, right? And definitely you have a coin array. So coin array, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 5. Only if you have 1, 2, 5 coins, right? And for this time, at DP1, how many coin can you represent? How many coin can you represent for the $1? This is basically is actually one coin, right? How many coin can you represent for $2? This is one coin, right? You have one coin. The $2 coin. And how about this? It would be actually what 2, right? Because 1 plus 2 is 3, which is 2 coin, and this is what? This is actually 2 plus 2, which is 2 coin. This will back to 1 coin, and this will back to 2 coin, right? And this will be a 2 coin. This is because 5 plus 2, and this will be what? 3, and this will be what? This will be 4, right? Oh no, it's actually 3. 2 plus 2 plus 5, which is 3 coin. And this is will be back to 2 coin, 3 coin, and 3 coin. Alright, just follow along. What do you think about the pattern? And if you do find out the pattern, and you can start coding, pause the video, start coding, and if you do not, I'm going to just start coding with it. So in DP equal to new int, and I'm going to assign the arbitrary number, which is 1 plus 1, right? And I'm going to assign my DP to my arbitrary number. So I need 13 index, right? So from 0 to 12. I'm not worried about the index 0. So DP 0 equal 0. So for every coin, I need to traverse that. Coins, I need to traverse. For every coin I need to traverse, I also need to traverse every position, right? So for in I equal to coin, starting from coin, right? If you're starting from coin $2, what do you have to traverse the index 0? Index 0 and 1. You cannot actually do anything, right? So just starting from a coin I equal to coin, and then I will less than equal to the amount, which is tough, right? You're starting from the position you are, your current value to the end, basically, and then I plus 2, and you need to minimize, right, for this current position for DP. So actually max.min, and this will be DPI, your current value. So your arbitrary number will be 13 at first, right? So this will be DPI or DP I minus coin. So what does I minus coin mean? So imagine that your value is 5, right? So in the beginning, right, you assign everything to x, right, including 5, right? So x is actually 5. X is actually 13, right? So I would be 5. 5 minus 5 is actually what? It's actually 0. So since you use a coin, since you are using a coin, you need to plus 1. And DPI is, the for the current position, is either you are using a coin already or is actually assigned to 13. So when you want to return, right, you have to check is my amount 11 DP at amount is actually equal to what? It's actually equal to amount plus 1, which is 13. If that is true, you cannot find any coin to represent this amount, right? So you will return -1 or you will return DP. So believe it or not, I actually try my best to explain. So let's just run the code. And yes, I have a table amounts. And hopefully I don't have any typo. Alright. And here we go. So let's talk about how I think about this time complexity. And this will be all of C, right? All of C. And for the worst case, this will be all of amounts. The amount would be all of n. So C times n, to be honest, for the worst case. And for the space complexity, this will be all of n. And this will be all of n as well. And yeah, here we go. So time is C times n, and then space is all of n. And this will be the solution. Subscribe if you want it, and like the video if you also want it. And leave a comment if you have any question. And I will see you next time. Bye.